Hi, my name's Adami, and I'm sure a lot of you must be wondering what my video is all about today. I'm just going to be speaking about inbox pounds. Like we all know, with the name inbox pounds, simply means taking surveys, referring friends, web search, paid emails, and you get paid in pounds. And actually, there are different ways you could earn from this particular gift or reward paying website. Yeah, it also has a brand, Inbox Dollars, which is meant for the people in the United States. Inbox Pounds, it's meant for people in Britain and UK generally. And what you need to do is you take surveys from different companies. You'll be asked to test some products. You'll be asked to test some websites, and you could even refer friends, you know, and you get paid for every activity your friend does. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell you basically, this is real, no gimmicks. It's just exactly what it is, and I'm just gonna start basically with what it looks like. And now, yeah, like this is one part of the program where you can actually get paid for reading mails. Now, if you look at this my tabs, you find out that there's a particular tab for new, there's a tab for read, there's a tab for all. What it simply means is for the new mails coming in, paid mails. If I read them, I get paid. It could be in cent. Yeah, this is not a get rich scheme, get rich quick scheme. You just have to, those free time you've got online, you have to make use of them, you know, to earn something. And believe you me, this is real because my last payment was last week. I got £20 paid into my PayPal account. I'm going to show you, so don't blow, don't bulge. Just follow me now. This is a tab for the red mails. Like if you look at this slot, let me click on this. Sorry. Now this is a paid mail. How do you know it's a paid mail? This is an advert from a company, super free slot games. If you look at it, it's a particular company that is involved in games. Games. It could be mobile games, downloadable games, and all that you need to pay with money. You earn and you get back money. So for me to get paid for reading this mail, if you scroll down, you will see confirm this paid mail. Yeah, that is where you're going to click once you get the mail. If you're interested in the offer, yeah, you could go ahead and click the offer. It's going to take you to the merchant's website. Yeah, and you could register. I'm sure it's going to ask for your bank card and all that. And I'm not interested in games, but I'm interested in earning the money for reading the mail. So I just click on confirm the paid mail, and it automatically confirms the payment into my account. It's going to tell me how much it's going to pay for reading the mail. And let me be very sincere with you, paid mails don't come like every day. If they find out that you are a lot frequent on the site and you do other tasks, they will continue to send you paid mails. But ordinarily, you're not going to be having paid mails all the time. So you just have to keep being frequent on the site. Yeah, that way you earn more paid mails. And yeah, once you read, you get paid instantly. This is a tab for all the mails I've read as at yesterday. It's updated itself every day. So I already read all the mail. I read all the mails that were sent to me. So that for paid mails. That's one way how you can earn here. Web search. You can make use of their platform to search. You see, you're gonna search and earn. You could search videos. You could search images. You could search news, web. Just name it. Click and and earn. Search and earn. It's that simple. No gimmicks. No foul play. This is referral. Yeah, it's not something compulsory, but I must tell you, I think working together with friends, family, makes you earn more, because by the time one of them is stocked at a particular level, you are in the system as well. It's going to be easy for you to put them through, and both of you are going to earn, because once your friend or family is earning something, you are equally going to earn something. So That's the whole idea behind the referral on that inbox pounds, and it's real, my brother. I'm just going to show you feedbacks of how and what I've earned from this. Yeah, and so you're going to invite your friends. Yeah, invite your friends. Get 10% of their lifetime earnings, no matter what they earn. 100 million times they click on the site to get earn money from a paid mail. You earn as well. Each time they take a task, maybe survey, and they earn, you earn as well. So it's a fantastic idea. That's why I'm trying to bring you guys on board. Yeah, so that you can actually have a feel of what is going on. Yeah, now I've been able to bring, I think, 6 people on board, and from all the activities so far, I've been able to earn 12 cents. Yeah, 12 pence. I mean, 12 pence. Yeah, but something. I started like that when and if you look at my account, up. I'm going to show you what my balance is. It's about £8 now, and I can't withdraw not until I get to £20. That was exactly what I did at the last time I withdrew. I was at £20 before I could withdraw. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you my referral link that you can use, because once you come on board, I'm ready to give you all the necessary informations, tutorials, and all that you need to know. Now, let me take you to this section of the surveys. Now, as you can see there are I already did all the surveys they got for me last night stroke this morning. You know, they already got me new ones because they found out that I'm always here, so they keep sending me survey. Mind you, there are some surveys you're going to take for 3 minutes and they tell you you don't qualify. Please overlook it, keep walking, because at the end of the day, some you're going to get paid, get paid good. So you don't just get discouraged, just keep doing it. Yeah, once you click on earn £1, it's going to take you to the survey. It's going to take you to the survey site. Yeah, I don't want to click on this because I'm not ready to perform the task. If I do and I go back, I'm going to lose the pound on this, so I'm just going to relax. Maybe once I'm done with the video, I'm just going to go back and earn the £1 on this task. Yeah, that's for survey. Survey is important. You need to do your surveys daily if you have them. Yeah, and you earn. Seriously, that's the truth. It's not big deal, but you earn. It's like 50 pence. You know, if you look at these offers now, yeah, let me explain these offers for you. Like this Candy Crush Soda Saga. I'm sure a lot of you know Candy Crush, but you know they keep updating the software, they keep updating the game. This is an updated level of Candy Crush. All you just need to do, you just have to click on earn. It's going to take you to the merchant site where you can download the game. Then you need to reach a level, possibly, let me just click on this so that you will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this says Candy Crush Soda Saga. Play Candy Crush Soda Saga. How to qualify for earnings. You must be a new user of Candy Crush Soda Saga app to earn reward. Normally credit within 7 days. So if you download the app now and you play the game of Candy Crush Soda Saga, yeah, and the system is going to capture that IP, sign-on details, everything you've done. It's going to capture it at their back office, and they're going to look at what you're doing with the app. So by the time it's past 5-6 days, the money you're supposed to be paid will be pending in your account. You're not going to see it. But once they find out that, yeah, you've got the app on your device for about 7 days, like they stated, automatically your account will be credited. And this is just real, man. They just want people to test their product, review them, and tell them if they are doing good. Yeah, it's just a way of giving back to the companies, to let them know they're actually doing something people wanted, or they're actually doing something what people don't like. You get it? So that's just the whole idea. So these are offers you could take. I'm actually on this solitary grand harvest. It's going to take me 14 days. I think I'm out of my seven days now. If I conclude the conquest, I'm going to earn £7, and that's That's some money, you know. This is another offer, CoinMaster. If I can do this, I'm going to earn £10. So this, if you look at it, these are companies that are actually existing. If you go to Google, if you type in CoinMaster, you're going to see the website fully loaded with informations and all that. So you know it's no gimmicks here. I'm sure a lot of you know Prime Video. A lot of you use it back home. You know what it does, and they're telling you just come. Some people are not aware yet of the offers Prime Video has got for your home viewing and all that, and entertainment. You just come here, get the information, maybe try 30 days, try your account, and afterwards they charge you, or you pay for a subscription, and automatically InboxPound is going to pay you three pounds for taking part in that, because Prime is going to pay them for the number of people who come on board through their platform. It's just marketing. All it's just marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing, network marketing. It's just building yourself and your brand, basically. You know, this is Audible, this Azimo. I'm sure a lot of you know Azimo, big port for those that play a lot of games here in the UK. Board King, Chips, you know, Quran. Some of you know that. And if you do this, you're earning £25. That's a lot of money, you know. It's another game here. Just name it. Just name it. You could do a lot working for different people. You could do a lot working for different people, and you earn for that. So those times you waste checking Facebook, chatting out time, wasting your data, you could actually get back the money using subscribing for your data monthly, right here, doing this beautiful job out of nothing. It's just log in, go to your inbox, see what they've got for you, and do the task. It's not going to take you all day, you know. It's not going to take you all day. It's just your time and the company wanting a feedback from consumers and viewers and the rest of it. So you can see a lot of things to be done. There's no stopping. I'm sure a lot of you know Revolut. So you already know where I'm coming from. So there's a lot to be done here and a lot to be earned. So I just want people to come on board. It makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I want to show you my current earnings and maybe other details I got. Now, this is way back of what I've been doing. This is on the 4th. Yeah, you can see this is telling me pending. It's yet to be credited to my account. It's going to be available. Nectar context sign up. Yeah, that's the limit time I'm given. Yeah, so I'm going to be earning this 50 pence on the 22nd. I already signed up. They're going to go into the back office to confirm I actually signed up. Then I'm actually on it. They have my details there. Yeah, and they're going to credit me once they confirm that this has been completed. These are completed. You know, these are completed. I earned £1.25 here. That was a survey I took. Yep, completed. I think I got a £5. I did a survey and I got a £5. I'm trying to look for that. Yeah, how they give gift card special offer. I never knew I could earn a £5. Damn, I was like, oh my god. But yeah, I did earn a £5, and it was fantastic. Yeah. Then when I got to £20, I made a redemption. Yeah, and truly, I got paid. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a screenshot of when the payment came in. Yeah, so these are what I got for referring people, refer a friend bonus. Yeah, so that is how it works. And if I have to request for cash, look at what's going to tell me. You know, it says there are ways I could easily get my reward. How do I want it? Do I want to earn an Amazon gift card? Do I want to earn a Cafe Nero gift card, a John Lewis gift card, Marcus Spencer's gift card, or a MasterCard UK gift card, or a Tesco card gift card? Or I want to get paid via PayPal? Brother, my sister, I want the cash. Yeah, so I just chose PayPal straight up, and I chose PayPal. Boom. Yeah, you know, you can see it's telling me insufficient balance because I'm not up to £20. The least I could get is £20. followed by 30, followed by 50, followed by 100. So I actually got paid, and I'm just going to show you what the screenshot looks like of my payment. Just a minute, let me pull out of here because I got it saved. So I'm just going to pull out of there, and just a minute. Yeah, now this is what it looks like. See, you received £20 from the reward store. Just thought you'd like to know, InboxPounds sent you PayPal cash, and payment was received. The amount £20. You can see it here. No fee was charged for the money to be sent to me. I got my cash, no issues. So I just want to show you my link where you can actually register if you're really keen on making money out of your spare time on the internet. Yeah, I'm just going to show you my link now, and so easy. Here's the link. So you want to come on board with me? Here's the link. Yeah, https://www.inboxpounds.co.uk !RB equals 980868853 and ref_SRC equals link. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a page where you could register. And once you register, automatically you're going to be given some amount of pounds for even coming on board. And that's going to just gear you up. So once you start working and you start doing all sort, you find out before in no time you're hitting even above 20 pounds mark. So I just want to encourage everybody here. This is going to be one of the videos I'm just going to be doing alongside the rest I'm still going to be doing. So you just have you need to make use of your time professionally, and see if you are doing something positive online. Mind you, you need to have a PayPal account, verified PayPal account. If you're in the UK, Europe, I think in UK is better where pounds is spent. Yeah, if you're here in the UK, or you're there where you can easily access pounds and all that, please register for a PayPal account and ensure you're verified. How do you verify your PayPal account? You use your ID, any form of ID you've got. PayPal will have to verify that ID, and once it's verified, boom, you're in. Make your money. Cool, easy. Once you're done, tell them to push you to your PayPal account, and voila, it's in your account, and you can easily withdraw your PayPal by transferring it to your normal bank account with no fees attached. Yeah, guys, still me, Dammy. I remain your homie. I remain your brother, your friend. I'll keep coming here with hard gist for you guys to make that money. Yeah. We're in this together, and as we go, I'm sure there's still a lot of positive things we'll be doing together. So I appreciate you guys, and I want you to have a beautiful time. Assalamu alaikum to my Muslim brothers and sisters. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I wish you happy Ramadan, happy fasting, and enjoy your day.